So this US 30 analysis for Monday the 5th of March. Now, let's have a look what happened prices and where prices may likely go. So where we had prices head up towards this 20 prices were headed up towards this 25,700. We've had a pretty strong pullback consolidation of the 24,439. Breakdown beneath is 25,101. We've had a consolidation beneath and further sell side momentum take us down to 24,550, from which we did have a consolidation. We broke down towards this 24,238. So in around this 24,238, we've had this move back up, tested the 24,550, had a pullback, tested for 24,550 again, and we still seem to be having a pullback now. And we have tested the 24,420 level previously. We do see points for another test. If we do see the breakdown from 24,550, we are looking at the 24,420. We're looking for price head down towards that 24,238, whether we do see a bit of a double bottom and see prices head upwards, or whether we do see further sell side momentum. If we do see further sell side momentum here on the US 30, these are the levels that we are looking at to the downside. So we're looking for prices to break down towards our 24,071, 23,900 and 23,750. Now, I wouldn't anticipate prices moving beyond the 23,750, even though we do have a volatile market at present. Might not even go below the 23,900 level. But these are levels that we are looking at. So possibly the far end of the range being in around that 23,900 if we do see quite a bit of a sell side momentum here in the market. Now, if we were to see further upside continuation, however, we were looking for prices to head towards, let's just find these levels. If we do see a break and hold of 24,550, we're looking for price head towards that 24,650, beyond which we'll keep in mind 24,700, but ultimately we're looking for price head up towards that 24,864. We're in around 4,864. We've got the 400 period mover pretty close by, sitting around the 24,900 level, beyond which we're looking for price head up towards that 25,000. Can anticipate prices heading up towards that 25,000, about 550 points from where we are at present. Yep, 550 points from where we are at present. But again, we do have a particular volatile market, so we could potentially see price head towards that 100. We could see price head towards that 25,000 mark. And with that said, overall, we are in a downtrend. We haven't had a meaningful retracement in a while, so we could see the retracement for seeing downside continuation. But with that said, that pretty much also the hourly chart analysis. So we'll have a look at the higher time frame. So we have a look at the I suppose I should have a look at the monthly first. So we get the scale on here correct. So let's remove these drawings. Correct. Now on this monthly chart, here, we can see we were in a very strong uptrend. We've had this bearish candle and for February, and so far for the month of March, we remain bearish. And we did have quite a bit of buy side momentum come into the market near the end of the month on the previous candle. But ultimately, we are looking to see prices head downwards on the US 30 here. So we could potentially see prices retrace all the way down towards a 20 period moving average. And the 20 period moving average currently sits in around, oh wow. It would probably take a couple of months before we head all the way down there. But 20 period moving average is sitting all the way down at 21,643. I wouldn't anticipate prices pulling back that far, to be honest. But yeah, it's important to bear in mind. And let's just have a look at the weekly chart. So here we are on this weekly chart. as you can see, we've got our highs, had a bearishness, had a brief pullback, and we do seem poised for further continuation of the bearishness to the downside, and possibly taking us back down towards our previous swing lows in the market, in around the 23,112 level. We'll see whether prices do head down there, down this level here, before we see buy side momentum coming into the market. Now, if we have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the US 30, again, it looks like we have posted a lower high. So we've got a high, it appears to be a lower high, and prices heading towards possibly that 23,000 mark. We've also got a 200 period moving average just here, which will probably take some time to get over to. So we've got our highs, lower high, and possibly looking for a further downside momentum here on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.